How to hide Active Now activity status on Instagram. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Instagram is up to date. If not, you can head over to your app store and then update the app to the latest version. Once it is up to date, open the app. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. It will open up your settings and activity of Instagram. Scroll down and inside how others can interact with you, head over to messages and story replies. In here it says who can see you are online. Head over to show activity status. In here, in order to hide the activity status, all you want to do is toggle off this button. And then your activity status will be disabled. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can hide Active Now activity status on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.